In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert photos into iMessage stickers in just 5 minutes. It's a fun and creative way to personalize your messages, and I'll guide you through each step, making sure it's easy and stress-free. Let's start by opening the Photos app on your device. This app is where you probably store most of your pictures, and it's the starting point for creating your very own stickers. Go ahead and choose a photo that has a clear subject. It could be a picture of a person, a pet, or perhaps an interesting object. Choosing a clear, distinct subject will make the process smoother and ensure your sticker looks great. Once you've selected your photo, tap and hold onto the subject of your image. You'll notice a soft glow outlining the subject to let you know it's been recognized. This effect is a helpful visual cue that tells you the app is ready to cut out the subject from the background. Keep holding until you see a pop-up menu appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Add Sticker. Go ahead and tap on it. This action is what converts your photo into a sticker ready to be saved for future use. Once you've done that, your newly created sticker is automatically saved into your sticker drawer within iMessage, making it easily accessible anytime you want to use it. Now that your custom sticker is created, let's go over how to use it in iMessage. Start by opening up the Messages app. This is where the fun continues as you bring your custom creations to life in your conversations. Tap into any conversation or start a new one if you prefer. Locate the plus icon next to your text field and select it. In the menu that appears, tap on Stickers. When you do this, you'll see your collection of custom stickers, including the one you just made. What's great about iMessage stickers is the ability to express yourself in a dynamic and engaging way. You can use your custom stickers by dragging and dropping them right onto any message bubble in your conversation. Simply hold your sticker, drag it over a message and release it. The sticker will stick to the message just like a reaction, adding a personal touch to your texts. And that's how you convert photos into iMessage stickers and use them to bring your messages to life. It's a simple yet powerful way to personalize your interactions, making them more engaging and fun. Enjoy creating and sharing your unique stickers.